So the purpose of this conference is to pursue the journey, not to stop it, and rather to discuss on the future opportunities to make a great, operational, reliable, and recognized higher education area.
AECTS capacity building workshop is an important step in the EU support to higher education in ASEAN regional program called SHARE. And in my view, this is a very effective format to bring together practitioners from both international relations offices and academic departments.
I am confident that this AECTS capacity building workshop will provide us an avenue to successfully inform ourselves of the benefits and advantages of using the framework for our mobility plans and goals as we together navigate an interconnected ASEAN.
In this seminar, we will not only talk about what is going on in the field of credit recognition in ASEAN, but also what is happening in other regions, the neighboring regions, ASEAN plus 3, Central Asia, Asia Pacific, New Zealand, Australia, but also how can new digitally innovative methods that are currently put in place in Europe in the Erasmus Plus system also be included into the frameworks and systems that we work on building in ASEAN.
I'm proud of what we have done. I hope it will be useful and in the next months and next year. And as John Wiley just said a few minutes ago, I'm already the past. The future is not the alumni who are the past as well now. The future is for the new generation of students in the ASEAN region.